Welcome students. Today we discuss about the right fit pigment. Now here the most important question is what is pigment? A pigment is a substance that appears a certain color due to selective wavelength absorption of light. Though many materials containing this property, but pigment is stable at normal temperature, and by using small amount of it on the objects or mixed with a carrier, it exhibit color. And pigments are classified depending upon their origin and the chemical structure of the chromophore. Depending upon origin, pigments are classified as natural and synthetic pigment. Natural pigments are produced by the living organisms like plants, animals, fungi, microorganisms, and hemoglobin is an example of natural pigments. Synthetic pigments are obtained from the laboratories, and depending upon the chemical structure of the chromophore, pigments are classified as chromophore with conjugated system like anthocyanin, betalain, the metal coordinated porphyrins like chlorophyll. Now the next question is what is pigment made of? Previously, organic pigments which are obtained from the natural sources have been used as a pigment, but recently inorganic and synthetic organic pigments are used. Synthetic organic pigments are derived from the coal tars or other petroleum products. The inorganic pigments are either obtained from the natural sources or it can be synthesized by some chemical reaction like oxidation. And where are the pigments used? Normally pigments are used for coloring paint, ink, plastic, fabric, cosmetics, food and other materials. And the chlorophyll and hemoglobin is an example of pigments where chlorophyll gives green color to the plant and hemoglobin gives red color to the blood. Now the next important question is what is right fit azopigment? Right fit azopigment contain calcium, strontium or barium. They replace conventional heavy metal based pigments containing lead or hexavalent chromium or cadmium. Historically, pigment based on the lead or hexavalent chromium and cadmium have served the red, orange and yellow color market. But when the US Environmental Protection Agency banned heavy metal, the color formulators rapidly turned to the high performance organic pigment to replace heavy metal based pigments. These high performance organic pigments, though fulfill the requirement, but they have some demerits like their higher cost often acts as a limiting to reformulation. Their production uses large volume of organic solvents. Some require large quantities of polyphosphoric acid causes phosphate in the effluent, and some are based on the dichlorobenzene or polychlorinated phenyls. So to overcome these demerits, Engelhardt Corporation, which is recently known as BASF Corporation, developed a wide range of environmentally friendly right fit azopigment which contain often calcium and strontium, sometimes barium instead of heavy metals. And like their name, these pigments have the right environmental impact, right color space, right performance characteristic and right cost to performance value. So due to avoiding the heavy metals, the advantage of these pigments is that these pigments eliminate the risk to the human health and the environment from the exposure to the heavy metals, as well as these pigments expected to have very low potential toxicity based on toxicity studies, physical properties and other studies. And due to low potential toxicity and low migration, most of the right fit pigments have been approved by the US Food and Drug Administration and the Canadian Health Protection Branch for indirect food contact application. In addition to these pigments are manufactured in aqueous medium, so eliminating the exposure to the polychlorinated intermediates as well as organic solvent, which is used traditionally for manufacturing high performance pigment. Right fit pigments have additional benefits like these pigments have good dispersibility, improved dimensional stability, improved heat stability, as well as improved color strength. Due to their high color strength, by using less pigment we can easily achieve the same color strength, and these pigments covered a wide range of color from purple to green shade yellow, so two or more can combine to achieve any desired intermediate color. Due to the green chemical advantage of these pigments used as a color to packaging used in the food, beverage, petroleum product, detergent and and other household durable good markets. Thank you.